Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add a text box comment on a PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element and click on this comment option in this menu, and here you will find this text box option and click here and drag your text box and put here and see this. The text box now inserted. Now double click on this text box and type your text or put new text here, and you can see this text box text color from this properties option, this text color. Also you can see this text box border color and appearance color, and also you can add fill color. You can increase border thickness and so on. In this way you can insert text box on your PDF file and type text, and this text box comment. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.